In this video, we're completing the cleaning routine for the bedroom. So we're going to bring our materials into the room, and the first thing we're going to do is just kind of straighten out the sheets and make the bed. Once we've made the bed, we're going to put the pillows back in place. We're going to throw away any trash that's lying around in the room. For some kids that might be food wrappers, others it might be paper, pencils, crayons. Then we're going to go ahead and dust surfaces, picture frames. And you may choose to just dust the top of any dressers or bookcases or other surfaces. For the sake of this video, I used a wipe. Usually in the classroom we are using the Clorox wipes because, we're just trying to decrease the amount of germs that spread in the school setting. Last thing that we're going to do is make sure that we put all the clothes in the laundry basket, and we're going to put our materials away.